first one, $3.41 plus $2.62. Go ahead and add that up. $3.41 plus $2.62. $3.41 plus $2.62. You can do this one. 15 plus 23 plus 50.
Okay, so 5 plus 3 is 8.
No, this one.
Oh. 1 plus 2 is 3.
Good.
And then 4 plus 6 is 10.
So how do I write that?
You put the 1 over the 3 and put the 0 where the 6 is.
Okay, good.
And then 1 plus 3 is 4.
Good.
And then 2 plus 4 is 6.
Good. $6.03. Who had that correct? $6.03. Good. All right, let's do our last one here. Who would like to add this one for us? All right, go ahead, Chaz.
Okay. 5 plus 3 is 8.
Good.
2 plus 1 is 3.
Wait. After 5 plus 3 is 8, then 8 plus...
0. And 8 plus 0 is 8.
Good, okay.
Alright, 1 and 2 is 3.
1 plus 2 is 3.
And 3 and 5 is 8.
88.
No, 88 cents.
Yeah? Who had it? All right, let's practice some money. So I have 6 quarters, 2 dimes, 5 nickels. Draw it out. 6 quarters, 2 dimes, 5 nickels. Remember? So let's go ahead and draw it. So 6 quarters, that's 25, 50, 75, $1, $1.25, $1.50. So my 6 quarters was $1.50. From there, I had 2 dimes, that was $1.60, $1.70. And then I have 5 nickels, which would $1.75, $1.80, $1.85, $1.90, $1.95. So it was $1.95.
Yeah.
Some of you said you didn't know. Where did you go wrong? What was it? Did you lose track of your counting or what?
I lost track of my count.
Okay, so just make sure whenever you do it like that, that's why I'm asking you to draw it out. First thing you do is draw out all the coins you need. So put the circles, and if it's a quarter, put 25 in it. If it's a dime, put a 10, nickel, 5. After you draw them all out, then go and count it, okay? So when you're drawing it, you have to put the number. That's why I put the number inside of it when I do it on the board with you, so that I can remember, okay, this is 25, okay? All right, let's look at the second one. So I have 7 dimes, 3 nickels, and 8 pennies. So try this one. So I have 7 dimes, that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So then after that I have 3 nickels, 75, 80, 85. Then I have 8 pennies, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93.
I got it.
So remember yesterday we learned what's called an array. It's whenever we have something in rows and tiles, okay? So let's go ahead and see who remembers from yesterday. So look at my array that I have here. So remember, the number on the side is how many rows. Your rows are the vertical squares. How many squares you have if you count them vertically. Vertically means going up and down. So how many rows do I have right here? Tell me. You can just tell me. Unmute yourself and tell me. How many? 4 rows. And how many tiles are in each row? 2. 2. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. So what will be the multiplication fact? This is a what kind of array?
2 by 2 array.
Sorry.
2 times 2.
Yes, a 4 by 2 array. Remember, your row always goes first, and then how many tiles after? A 4 by 2 array. So in your book, you will not only see arrays that are made in squares, but you will see some made with different shapes sometimes. So look at this one. Huh?
I already did in my book.
Okay, awesome. All right, so I have these X's here, and I want to figure out my number sentence for this array. Same thing I do. I figure out how many rows I have first and how many in each row. So looking at this one, we're going to make a number sentence for it, for this array. How many rows do I have?
2.
2 rows, and that's times how many X's do I have in each row?
3.
So 2 times 3 equals. So that means I have a total of 6 X's. So whenever you see this in your book and it asks you to write a number sentence for the array, find your row first, times how many you have in each row, whether it's X's or circles, whatever it is, or squares. So let's look at this one here. How many rows do I have? 5. And how many do I have in each row? 4. So this number sentence is 5 times 4 equals how many circles? 20. Good. 5 times 4 is 20. All right. What would be my number sentence for this array?
At the right?
What would be my number? Yes, write the number sentence. Just like I was writing number sentence for these, what would be the number sentence for this one? How many rows times how many in each row equals my total of squares or tiles. How many rows? 1, 2, 3, 4 rows times how many in each row? 1, 2, 3. 4 times 3 equals 12. Omar. So here we go. Figure out how many rows times how many in each row. Look at it right here. It's the purple, the X's. Let's see. What is my number sentence for this array?
4
Good. So 4 times 5 is 20. So that means I have 4 rows and 5 in each row. All right, so let me give you a challenge. I want you to build your own array. So you can do X's, you can do circles, or squares. I'm going to give you the number sentence, and you build an array. So you have to create one. So we're pretty much doing the opposite. Okay. 6 times 2. How many rows? And then how many in each row? A 6 by 2. That means I needed to have 6 rows with 2 in each row. Remember, front number is your rows, back number is how many in each row. All right, and so how many total should I have? 6 times 2 is?
6.
Wow.
Yes, 6 times 2 is 12. So, good.
Circles.
Yeah. All right, so that's our math lesson today. Good job with that.